Hello everyone, welcome to Tutor for Maths. Now this is a new topic for lower classes, lower grades, the concept of percentage. So in this we will be discussing what percentage is, how fractions can be converted into percentage or how decimals can be converted into percentage, and how percentage is to be removed, what is the symbol of percentage. Each and everything will be discussed in complete detail. Okay, so before I start, all those who are new to my channel, who are watching this for the first time, do subscribe it and press the like button as well as the bell icon, so that whenever I post any new video you will get intimated soon. So let's begin with the topic of percentage and let's do introducing percentages. Now what is percentage? Uh, what is percentage? Just hold on. Hanji. So now what is percentage? Percentage is another way of expressing a fraction. So whenever you are given some fraction means something is in numerator and something is in denominator. So in that we can express that expression in percentage. Like it is 80%, right? So how what does it actually means? What does the word percentage means? Percentage actual means per cent. So it is combination of two words basically. Per cent means per hundred. Okay, so what is the value if we take it from the hundred? Per hundred. Okay, so if we write it like it was 80%, it was written. So if we have to write it down in fraction, out of 100 how many? 80. So it is 80 over 100. So this is a symbol for writing the percentage, and when we have to remove that symbol, what we do it? We divide the number by the 100. Okay. So now percentage can also be expressed as fractions as well as decimals. So there are two ways to express any one number, any percentage. So number one is in writing fractions like 80 over 100, and the other one is by writing in decimals. Like if we divide 80 over 100, I take same example, 80 over 100 is 0.8, or if you cancel it out, write it into simplified form, divide by 10, 8, you get 8 over 10, then you divide by 2, you get 4 over 5. So it can be written in fraction like 4 over 5, the simplified form, or in decimal, that is 0.80. Okay, so how to convert given fraction or decimal into percentage? So how we have to convert a given fraction or decimal into percent? So there are two methods. First method is we have to convert the denominator to 100 by dividing. How to convert the denominator by 100? It is by multiplying numerator or denominator by a suitable number so that you get 100 in the denominator. And there is simpler method is method 2, and it is mostly used. What we do is we simply multiply the given fraction or the decimal by 100. So let's have a look how. So let us suppose our given fraction is 4 over 5, right? Now denominator is 5, but what we need to make is 100. Okay, so what you do is you multiply numerator as well as denominator by 2. So here 4 is multiplied by 2, you get 8. The same number is to be multiplied in numerator as well as in denominator. So when you multiply 4 by 2, you get 8. Similarly, when you multiply 5 by 2, you get 10. So 4 over 5 become a new number, that is 8 over 10. Okay, now 8 over 10, you get 10 in denominator. So now your work is to get denominator as 100. So what you will be doing is you will be multiplying numerator as well as denominator by what to get 100 in denominator? By 10. So 8 into 10 is 80. 10 into 10 is 100. You get 80 over 100. So how can you write it as? It is 80%. Okay. Now it is 0.25. Another example, it is 0.25. Now 0.25 is a decimal form. So if you need to convert it into percentage, what you will be doing is, whenever, remember one thing, whenever you need to convert into percentage, means you want this sign with your number, with your value. So what is the rule? Multiply the number with 100. Okay, clear? Now moving on to next. Express 35 over 4. Now it is again a fraction number. So what we have to make it is, we have to convert, you have to express as percentage. So write 35 over 100. Okay. Now what I have told you is, you have to multiply this number by 100 if you need that percentage symbol. So here we go. 35 over 4 multiply 100. Okay. Now you get, if you want to do simplification by dividing 100 by 4, it's up to you. Multiply it, divide by 4, what you get, the answer is 875, and you get a symbol that you require, that is percent. Clear? So by this, what we have done is, we have converted a fraction into percentage, and we have this new symbol with us. Moving on to another. Express 17.77 as percentage. Again we need percentage symbol. So first, what is the rule? Multiply by 100. But before that, wait. Before that, here there is a decimal 17.77. So when earlier the previous example was a fraction. Let me show you again. This example was a fraction, that is, we were given 35 over 4. Now we are having an example of decimal. So in case of decimal, first step is to remove the decimal. So what we are doing is step 1, that is removing decimal. So we remove the decimal, right? Now we need the symbol, percentage symbol. So what is the rule? We have to multiply by 100. So we multiplied it. 100 got cancelled. What you get? 1777%. Clear? Clear? So we have done one example of fraction, and this is another example of decimal. Okay. Now how to convert given percentage into fraction? Now we are going to proceed with another thing that I told you. When what we have done earlier, what we have done is, till now we have done, we were given some fraction, we were given some decimal, and we need a symbol, that is a percentage symbol. So when we need a symbol, we multiply by 100. Now the new thing which we are going to learn right now is, we will be given symbol, percentage symbol, in the starting only, and what we want is, we want to remove it and write in fraction or decimal. Okay. So when you have to remove it, what is the step? You have to simply divide the given percentage by 100. When you don't need the symbol, you have to divide by 100. When you need a symbol, you have to multiply by 100. So let's have a look. Now the question given is 25%. So you can see the symbol here. So you need to remove it. When you need to remove it, you have to divide by 100. And when you divide by 100, what you get? You get a decimal form, that is 0.25. Clear? So any example you can take, there can be any numerous examples. So the simple rule is, when you need a percentage symbol, when you need it, you have to multiply it, and when you don't want it, you want to remove that, you have to divide by 100. Okay. Now for example, another example is there. Convert 125% into decimal. Now firstly, be very careful while you read a question and note the things. Percentage symbol is there, right? So what you need to convert it into is, you have to convert it into a decimal, means you don't need percentage. Okay, so when you don't need percentage, nahi chahiye, we do not require, so what you have to do is divide by 100. Okay, so 125 percentage can be written as, here is a symbol for division, so it is 125 over 100, so what you get? 1.25. Clear? So let's have another. Convert 0.61% into decimal. Again percentage symbol is given, I have to remove it. Okay, so percentage symbol is given, what is the process? You have to remove it, divide by 100. But again note one thing, here the number is in already decimal form, so you will be dividing by removing the decimal also. So what is the 0.61 over 100? Because there is a symbol for division, we have to remove the percentage. So when you divide it, what you get? 0.0061. Clear? So don't get confused. It's very easy, just a simple rule. When you require percentage, multiply by 100. When you want to remove the percentage, divide by 100. Okay. So let's have some example. What percentage of the given figure is shaded? So here is your figure. So how many, firstly let's see how many squares or rhombuses are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total is 12. Okay. How many are shaded with the light green color? 3. So firstly, whenever the figures are given, write the fraction of shaded portion, then convert it into percentage. Okay. So fraction of shaded portion is 3 were shaded out of 12. So it is 3 over 12. Now we need percentage. So when we need percentage, we multiply by 100. So when we multiply by 100, what you get is 25%. Clear? Now let's proceed to another example. So it is very easy. Again, what percentage of given figure is shaded? Here is your figure. Now there are 4 circles. All are shaded. Means out of 4, all are shaded. Okay, firstly let's write fraction. 4 shaded out of 4. The number which is shaded is written in numerator and total number is written in denominator. Like in previous question, it was 3 over 12. It means 3 were shaded, 12 were the total. Now here 4 are shaded and 4 are total. So you get one answer, cancellation, and now you have to convert it into percentage. What you need to do with percentage? Multiply by 100. Clear? So you get 100%. Again another question. So you have to do it quickly. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total is 5. How many are shaded? Only 1. So your fraction is 1 over 5. Here I am not writing anything, I am just speaking out so that you should have proper attention on what I am speaking also, and then you can note it down on your notebooks. Now fraction is 1 over 5, right? You need to convert it into percentage. What is the process? Multiply by 100. So 1 over 5 multiply 100. So what you get is 20%. Answer here is 20%. So that was the last slide. So with this we finished our topic of percentage. If you have any query, you can message in the comment section, and any of your doubt other than this, any question which you have any problem with, or you have problem in solving or understanding, you can contact us on email, on website, or on Instagram also, or even in the comment section. So doubts are always welcome. So I hope you have now proper understanding of the concept of percentage. So if you like it, if you like the video, if you found that it was helpful, do press the like button and share it with maximum of your friends. Thank you.